Hey guys, and happy Thursday morning. So today's video is gonna be an unboxing video. So just want to show you guys a quick view of my yard. Wait a minute. What's that? What is this on my white hoodie? This is bitter bush. And I don't want it on my white sapoti. Nope, sorry. Gotta get off. Gotta get off. Get off. So this bush is good for making tea. See, this whole fence line is full of it. Good for making tea and good for like blood pressure and stuff like that. You guys can read about it. But I'm not back here for the bitter bush, so love how it looks back here. It just got done raining, everything's wet, and just looks tropical looking. So nice. But this is my box right here. Bring it back here just for a better scenery. This box is from Top Tropicals. So let's go ahead and start opening the box, see what we got. All right, so let's see what we got here. Staples. All right. That's what I'm talking about. Protection, protection, protection. Yes, please. Protect my plants. Thank you very much, Top Tropicals. All right, so let's get into one of these first. This one is African tree gardenia. And this is a beauty, isn't it? That's the tag there. I'm not gonna say the genus name. I don't wanna splice it up. But it's African tree gardenia. It says rare plants for home and garden online order. Okay, yeah, but this tree ran me about $50. I think they had 2 left. I bought 1. So if you're interested, go over and see if there's still another one left. But these are supposed to produce gorgeous trumpet white flowers that hang over. You can see the leaves here. Resembles coffee plant. So very pretty. Okay, what's next? This one is called Variegated Pink Winter Jasmine. You guys see that? This is the genus name here. I'm gonna attempt this, okay? Jasminum polyanthum variegatum. Sounds about right. So basically, this is a variegated, I don't know if you guys could see any of this. This is a variegated jasmine vine that produce beautiful flowers. And of course, there isn't any on here at the moment. All right, next. This one is, and I'm sorry you guys, I know my fruit tree lovers might not like this, but some of you will. In other words, you need some kind of flower in your garden. If you're planting fruit trees, you need some kind of flower. You need some kind of pop. For instance, you need that. You need some kind of color. I think this is pronounced Izora. And look at the flower. It's so pretty. You need some kind of pop. You need that. Some kind of pop. You need some elements of color, in other words. See how pretty? You need something. And it can't just be all green, in my opinion, with no color. See, the color makes it pop, right? So that's my idea of having a garden. You need some flowers to attract bees and pollinators, if you're growing fruit trees, right? So, and plus it makes it pop. The colors from the flowers make everything pop. But yeah, anyway, don't want to ramble. This one is called Yesterday, Today, Tomorrow. And I thought this was interesting. Very pretty leaves. They sent this one bare root. Let me cut this off. I want to stifle the plant because I don't think it needs the tie right now. It's not in trouble anymore. Trying to be very careful. Oh, come on. Just got a little piece left. There we go. All right. Cut the bottom one off too. Ah, awesome. Gorgeous leaves. Very pretty. So yes, yesterday, today, and tomorrow. That's gonna be a showstopper for sure. All right, next. This one is wrapped, all the way wrapped in this brown paper here. All right. And this one is also bare roots. And I think this is the fertilizer too I ordered, called Sunshine Boosters. Supposed to be good, so we're gonna try it out. This one, I need my scissors again. All right, so this, for now, we're gonna do it like this. As you can see, this is a vine and it's variegated. Gorgeous, right? Gorgeous, gorgeous. Love it. Love it. This beauty is called I'm not gonna screw this up, but you guys see what it's called. So it's another jasmine vine, and it's also variegated. Yeah. So my plans for these variegated vines is just running them on a couple trees that we have at the new property. And this one also produces white flowers. So I know a lot of people don't like vines, but if it's out of your way and not bothering you, I don't see the problem. So this one is going to be like a plant it and forget it type deal, but it's going to be very pretty. It's going to give me white flowers as well. It's going to give me leaf irrigation. It's going to be a showstopper plant, just like this other jasmine here. And I didn't talk about the price, but we'll get back to that. But yeah, my plan is to just run these up some trees and let it be a showstopper piece, right? That's my plan. It's gonna be a plant it and forget it deal. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Pretty. You even see a little pink in these two right here. That's pretty. So yeah, people. Yeah, here's some more. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. So it seemed like the new growth gives you like a little pink too. Cool. All right, price. I paid, I think it was $9 and change for this. Okay, it was on sale. I believe this yesterday, today, and tomorrow was $39. The African tree gardenia was $49, and this other jasmine variegated vine was $49, I think. No, $39. So you guys do the math, and my fertilizer was, I think, $10. So yeah, awesome prices at Top Tropicals. I got fruit trees from them also. Trying to think what I got. My MB from them. I got my longin from them. So let's go look at the MB really quick. I can't think of everything I got from them, but I got a few plants. They also sell fruit trees, not just flowers. So I got my MB from them, which is supposed to be a hermaphrodite. So I only need one, right? And I got my longin from them. Can't think of anything else. Again, I'm pretty sure it's like 1 or 2 more plants here. This is my longin. This is my Kohala longin. New leaves, looking very pretty right now. If you guys don't know, I'm in Florida, zone 10A. This one was bought as a 7-gallon, and it was air layered. See that? So it's not a seedling, it's air layered. And I started getting fruits last year. I think I got this in 2020 or 2021. I just started getting fruits last year. So it's great. Air layered plants is great. Pretty. All right, people. So that's it for my video. Gonna try and plant these and give them some water. But you guys have a good day. Have a good weekend. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.